Okay guys, so this is your turns exercise. So we haven't done this before, and it goes from the right diagonal back and the left diagonal back. So this will be part of your corner work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my right diagonal back, but really, to be honest, depending on how much space you're going to have, if you just squidge over to this side, and then what we'll do is we will travel the exercise together. Now, this is in 3/4, so that means there's 3 beats, or rather, the first time we're going to count is up to 6. So instead of going 5, 6, 7, 8, like we normally would, this time we're only going to go up to 5, 6. So we've only got 6 counts in each bar. So this will make more sense as we go on. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take a walk around to your right, and you're going to make a full 360-degree circle, just like we would do in our routines, and you're going to come back to where you started. So choose your starting point, locate your right shoulder, and you're going to walk around to your right. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, we'll have to practice that again. Look, even I didn't make it back to my place because I was thinking 8 in my head straight away. So let's try that again. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did you make it back to where you started? Let's try it one more time. So 6 counts to get back to where you started. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we're going to do a step, turn, step, and this goes from a big bend and you turn back into your circle. So you turn back towards your right, which is the same way you went in your circle. Turn, and then you take a step. Step, turn, step. Now I know we've done loads of step, turn, steps before, but I really want to emphasize that circle. Okay, so we're going to walk around the circle, and then you're going to turn on the circle. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, down, up, down, and then you finish with a pas de bourrée. So I've got my left foot free here, so the left foot's going to go behind, side, and then front. I'll try to show you that a little bit clearer on both sides. So this will be with your right foot, so it will go behind, side, front, and then with your left foot, behind, side, front, and that's our pas de bourrée, and I know we've done these in class before. Ready, and behind, side, front, and behind, side, front. So the whole sequence goes 6 walks, a step, turn, step, and a behind, side, front. Now the main thing that I see when I'm teaching this exercise, walks are fine, getting back to the starting point is always the toughest point because we naturally have an 8 in our head. But this is part of our progression on our dance skills. So it's just a case of practicing it, and then your step, turn, step, remembering to go back towards, so instead of reversing into yourself, if you're going to your right, you'll turn to your right, or if you're going to your left, you'll turn to your left, and then getting this foot behind. I think that is the trickiest thing, to go from the turn to getting that foot behind. So watch out for it. I guarantee at least 3 times you'll go down, up, down, and then you'll trip over and you'll want to put that foot in front, because that is what we are naturally used to doing. So this is a great skills exercise, which is probably why we haven't done it during yet, because we were working on our show stuff. It is such a thinker. And so just remember those highlighted points. Okay, so I'm going to go from this side, and we're going to walk around, same thing again. So you've got 6 walks, and these are just regular, what they call natural walks. So we're not walking with pointed feet, and you've got a relaxed posture. You don't want to be just sink into it. You want to still be pulled up, but it's not rigid, it's relaxed. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, down, up, down, behind, side, front. Did you get that foot going behind? That's always a tough one. Okay, one more time from this side. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, down, up, down, behind, side, front. I'm trying to keep my feet in shot there. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to actually turn this way. So imagine that you're in class with me and that you were following it around together. So if this was going from the right diagonal back, we would go following our right shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we were traveling down the studio, down, up, down, behind, side, front. And then if you have space, you would start off again. I don't really have much space. I'm only going to fit it in once. If you have a nice space, or if you're able to take this outside, then you keep going continuous with the music. Okay, so now I'm going to try it as if we were going from the left diagonal back. Can you still see me? Okay, cool. So walking around to your left shoulder, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, down, up, down, behind, side, front. Okay, so what I'm going to do with the music is I'm going to do it from 4 corners, and hopefully one of them will help it make sense to you. Fingers crossed. Okay. Just check that volume. Okay, I'll start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down, up, down, behind, side, front. That's quite quick. Try from this corner. I go round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down, up, down, behind, side, front. Okay, from the right diagonal back. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down, up, down, behind, side, front. And the left diagonal back. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down, up, down, behind, side, front. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down, up, down, behind, side, front. Okay, how was that? Was that good? Okay, let's try it here once more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down. Behind, side, front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down, up, down, behind, side, front. Are we finished once more? 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, up, down, behind, side, front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down, down, behind, side, front. Okay? Ready? 4, 5, 6. Round. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down, up, down, behind, side, front. And that's where we're all going to fit in. Okay, super. Okay, so give that a go in your space. You've got 6 walks around, a down, up, down for step, turn, step, and a pas de bourrée. So 6 walks, a step, turn, step, and a pas de bourrée. Okay, good luck practicing.